Hi everyone, in this video, class 6 NCERT solution for chapter 14 water. Okay, so let's start it. First question is fill of the blanks in the following. Okay, question number A is the process of changing of water into its vapor is called evaporation. Evaporation is correct answer. Second B question is the process of changing water vapor in water is called condensation. Okay, condensation. Okay. Third question C is no rainfall for a year or more may lead to dies in the region. So this answer become drought is correct answer. Excessive rains may cause floods. Okay. Second question is state of each of the following whether it is due to evaporation or condensation. Okay, first is water drops appear on outer surface of a glass containing cold water. Answer become will be condensation. B question is steam rising from wet sorry steam rising from wet clothes while they are ironed. Evaporation which correct answer. C answer will be fog appearing on a cold winter morning. C answer is C question answer will be condensation. Okay, question number D is blackboard dries up after weeping. Evaporation. Okay. E question is steam rising from a hot girdle when water is sprinkled on it. Evaporation. Okay, so answer will be here. Okay. So question number third is which of the following statements are true. Okay, so first question is A water vapor is present in air only during monsoon. So this become false. Okay, because all season vapor is present in our air. Okay, so B water evaporates into air from oceans, rivers, and lakes, but not from the soil. This answer will be false. Okay, so C the process of water changing. Okay, this answer will be false, and this is also false. Okay, third, the process of water changing into its vapor is called evaporation. This answer will be true. C number is answer true. Okay, so uh, D the evaporation of water takes place only in sunlight. D answer false. Okay, इसी तरह क्वेश्चन नंबर ई जो है this answer will be true. Okay, so C here. Okay, so 4 question is suppose you want to dry your school uniform quickly. Would spreading it near an anxiety or heater help? If yes, how? Solution: spreading uniform near an anxiety or heater will help because it increase the rate of evaporation due to heat. Question number 5 is take out a cold bottle of water from a refrigerator and keep it on a table. After some time, you notice a droplets of water around it. Why? Okay, answer solution will be because the surface of a air around the bottle cool down and air condenses around the bottle. 6 answer is to clean their spectacles. People often breathe out on glasses to make them wet. Explain why the glasses become wet. Answer will be solution is here. The air we breathe out contains water vapor, which condenses on the surface of spectacles, so the glass becomes wet, and with the help of a small amount of water molecules it becomes easier to clean the spectacles. Question number 7 is, how are clouds formed? Okay, solution is, the process of condensation plays an important role in bringing water back to the surface of the earth. As we go higher from the surface of the earth, it gets cooler. When the air moves up, it's get cooler and cooler. At sufficient heights, the air becomes so cool that the water vapor present in it condenses to form teeny drops of water called droplets. It is these teeny droplets that remain floating in the air and appear to us like cloud. Okay, so question number 8 is, and question number 8 and the last question is, when does a drought occur? Answer will be, solution is, if it if it does not rain for 2 or more years, water is lost from the soil due to evaporation and transpiration. Since it is not being brought back by rain, the soil becomes dry, and the level of water in ponds and wells of the region goes down, and some of them may even dry up. The groundwater may also become scarce. This may lead to drought. Okay, so thank you. Okay, please check description for all information of these books. So thank you.